Make video games, they can learn coding, and engage in robotics. Wow.
Tabitha Lipkin joins us live in Chula Vista with more on Code Ninjas. Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, as you can see, I'm surrounded by those ninjas right now. They're working on programming, they're working on learning how to make video games, and they're, really getting into what you can see after school and for summer programs. And I'm joined right now by Ziggy. Ziggy, let's talk a little bit about what Code Ninjas is all about.
Good morning, Tabitha. Well, Code Ninjas is an after-school center where kids are going to be making video games, but really learning how to code. So it's a fun environment for them to do an alternative to soccer or any other activity that they normally do.
Specifically, what are we watching happen this morning?
So right now, what they're working on is scratch coding. Our curriculum is designed like belts, like karate belts. And so the first white belt is basically scratch coding. So it's a basic program where they move blocks in order to make animations in video games. But it's very simple code already embedded in there. Yeah. So that all they're just doing, putting together the blocks to make the animation and make the video game. So that's what they're doing right now.
Why is it important to learn these skills?
Well, we believe that STEM is an important part of a child's education because it includes logic and mathematics. And we're finding that there's not a lot of programs like this available for kids their age. The curriculum is aimed for kids 7 to 14.
Why did you want to bring a center here to Chula Vista?
Because my son, my middle son, who's 14 now, he taught himself how to code. So he really didn't have a lot of options out there. And when we heard the idea, the concept of Code Ninjas, my wife and I were just blown away by it.
Let's kind of go over all the different aspects of what you do here. Now, there is a free 30-minute session that parents and kids can come to. What is that all about?
Correct. That's how we get to explain the concept to the parents. They can schedule a free 30-minute game building session by going to codeninjas.com, finding Chula Vista, and you just click on Book a Tour.
Well, I've already put that on fox5sandiego.com on the Scene On tab. You're ready to go there, but that's one way they can be introduced.
Correct. And they schedule a 30-minute tour for their child. They bring them in. We can talk to the parent, explain to them the concept, the program, the dates, and the pricing, and then the child can actually try it out. And then they can talk to the parent and see if they like it and see if this is something that they want to do.
The key thing here is because schools all have different schedules, some are on a quarterly schedule, some have big summer breaks. You have programs that are after school and summer camps coming up. Tell me about those.
Yes, so the camps are programmed at our website, codeninjas.com. Find Chula Vista. And
on our Scene On tab. Ziggy, I put it on the Scene On tab, make it easy for our viewers.
Thank you for doing that. And you can see the dates for the camps. They're already programmed. And also very important, with our drop-in curriculum, the monthly program, there's no set schedule. So once you register, the child can come in to do their 2 one-hour sessions during the week at any given time between 4 and 8 p.m.
Excellent. So a little something for everyone so that they can learn, be introduced. This is a great way for kids to get involved with STEM programs. Now, here's what's really exciting. Coming up in the next hour, we are going to be working with robotics, and we're going to show you how the kids learn how to program those robotics and drones. And before we leave you guys, I just have to just turn around the camera because they were already, you see all these parents who woke up so early to bring their kids in to show you. See, I knew they would get out of the way if I turned the camera around, but they're so excited to see their kids on TV this morning.
And it's so cool to see how young they are and how great they are with technology.
It all makes sense in their brains because they're young brains.
Oh, I love it.
Right? Tabitha, thank you.
you.
Look at that. They're probably hacking into my email right now.